Whether it's tackling homework or preparing for a big test, school can sometimes feel like a lot to handle. And that's where Alloprof steps in to make things easier and more enjoyable. Whether you're a student, a parent, or a teacher, this short video will show you how to navigate the website and introduce you to some fun and simple tools that make learning more engaging. The site is divided into three main sections: one for students with all our educational content, one for parents to support learning at home, and one for teachers with classroom-ready resources. If you're looking for something specific, you can filter by subject, by grade level, from grade 1 to secondary 5, or even by the type of tool you want to use. And of course, you can always use the search bar to quickly find the topic you need. Let's dive into an example. Say you're looking for tools to help practice with addition. We'll start by typing in addition into the search bar. Right away, you'll see a list of resources related to that topic. Since we're focusing on student tools, let's make sure to click on the student section. Because we have a lot of content for this subject, it's helpful to use the filters to narrow things down. Let's filter by grade, let's say grade 2, topics, so by subject, in this case mathematics, and content types. Let's go with concept sheets. Now we have a curated list of concept sheets on the chosen topic. Let's pick one. Our concept sheets are great for introducing or reviewing topics. Think of them like textbook pages, but with a twist. These often even include interactive exercises to help check understanding and links to other tools that reinforce the concept. Want to take it a step further? Watch a short video. Our videos are a fantastic way to support independent learning and make key ideas even clearer. Alloprof teachers explain concepts using real-life examples that are easy to understand and relate to. In this case, we're talking about stickers. You'll often find these videos embedded right within the concept sheets themselves, but you can also browse more on the Explore section at the top of our webpage or on our YouTube channel. And if you're looking for test prep help, don't miss out on our crash courses. These interactive videos focus on larger, more complex topics like density. And this tool is reminiscent of a review session, including video explanations and check-in points to make sure the concept really sticks. Alloprof offers a variety of interactive exercises across many subjects and grade levels. It's easy to set up a short practice session based on what's being learned in class. You'll find exercises linked directly within concept sheets, and this is such that everything they need to answer the questions are all found on the same page. So let's look at this example of an interactive exercise on decimal numbers for students in grade 5 or 6. So these are designed in a way to reinforce classroom learning in a fun and engaging way. You'll come across all kinds of formats such as fill in the blanks, multiple choice, matching sometimes, even a drag and drop answer. You'll have a lot of ways to interact with the content that you're learning. The best part, students get immediate feedback so they know when they need a bit more practice. For example, here, if I were to drag and drop these decimal numbers in increasing order and I made a mistake, which we know is part of learning, you'll see that here we even tell you that your answer is partially correct. So students know what to work on and if they need to spend more time focusing on this concept or if they need to move on to the next more complicated idea. Practice builds confidence, and it's even better when learning feels like a game. That's where a collection of educational games comes in. We've designed them to support skill building while keeping things fun, light, and rewarding. So from the motivational timer, which turns focused work sessions into a game, to a range of subject-specific games, these tools help students stay on task and engaged, especially when attention starts to drift. Let's say you're looking for some extra math practice. You might want to try Speedy Rabbit, a fast-paced challenge where students can work on addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, depending on what they need. It's high energy and motivating, making it perfect for short bursts of focused learning. Or for something literacy-based, there's also Book of Spells. This game blends reading comprehension with a playful story where students read short texts in English or French to take care of and evolve their own magical creature. These games are more than just entertainment. They're built to reinforce key concepts, encourage repeated practice, and help students develop a positive attitude toward learning. Still have questions after reviewing and practicing? That's totally okay. Asking questions is a natural part of learning. The Ask a Question section is here to help. You can post a question in the Help Zone, a friendly and collaborative space where students can support each other and trained moderators keep everything on track. You can even upload photos of your problem if that helps. If you need direct support, don't forget you can always reach out to a real teacher free of charge. Our team is available by phone, text, or live chat from Monday to Thursday, 5 p.m. to 8 p.m., and on Sundays from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. And remember, learning doesn't have to be stressful. With the tools like concept sheets, videos, interactive exercises, and games, Alloprof is always here to help. Whether it's to help you stay on track or build confidence, we're here every step of the way. Thanks for watching and happy learning.